Hey, this is Jelani Asar with Income Protection Atlanta, and right now we're going to discuss one of my favorite topics, recruiting, and bringing in you to be our awesome team member. So right now we're specifically looking for sales managers. So who are we? Once again, we're Income Protection Atlanta. We are a startup insurance firm. Actually, we're part of a major corporation that is all throughout the United States, and particularly in another country. You know, it's funny because I cannot really go into much of the specifics of the company that we're part of, simply because, well, we cannot really market ourselves using the company's name. It's funny because the first day that I started to really get some great traction with our internet marketing campaign for our specific team, literally an hour and a half later, I received an email from corporate headquarters about brand violation and how I needed to take down my whole internet marketing campaign. So again, we're basically like a franchise. That's a good way to think of it. We're like a franchise because we're part of a huge corporation, although we are very much independent. So we are a startup insurance firm, a startup insurance sales team in Atlanta, Georgia. And what we need right now are sales managers, because right now we have a team of about 30 at the time of this video, and we're constantly growing. And the thing is that the majority of our team is composed of veterans, and the veterans, the way it was before, they work by themselves. They're not so much interested in the team structure, and they're not so much interested in management, even though they have awesome skills and have developed awesome experience and have tons of success. They're not really interested in teaching it, nor are they so much equipped to teach it. So what we need right now is teachers, sales managers. So what we need you to do is come in and take your experience, your knowledge, your expertise as a sales manager and teach, and grow. Because your position is extremely important at this point for our team, because again, we're a startup. So this is what you're getting as a sales manager with our Income Protection Atlanta team. You're getting a lot of power, because right now, really, we have one sales manager for our whole team of 30. One sales manager. So you come in, you have a lot of power, a lot of people to work with, a lot of influence. You also have a lot of space to experiment, because again, we are a startup, so you can really test out some of the ideas that you had in your previous positions, or some of the ideas that you may have. Let's say, for example, you have not been a sales manager before, yet have been very successful in sales and are now interested in teaching your skills and testing out some of your ideas. You have room and space to do so. It really is just an awesome opportunity. You also have room to build. It's a lot like having an open lot of raw land. It's just open for you. And you have tons of tools, tons of skills, a lot of raw capital and potential for you to build on. And you can build whatever you want. Experiment, work it out, and really just grow this team. You're also getting to work with an extremely innovative team. I mean, again, we're like a franchise, part of a major corporation, and there are a lot of different teams like ours in this corporation and with so many other corporations, probably the corporation that you were working for in your team. The thing is that, has your team ever branched off and done their own marketing, not under the umbrella and blanket of the corporation? It's pretty rare. I mean, we are definitely an innovative team. So this is what you get. You also get passive income. For example, one of our top sales managers actually came from a company where she had a very similar role, and she was pretty successful, and she was there for 9 years, real long career. And one of the main reasons why she decided to move from her previous company and become our regional manager for our company is simply because of the passive income. She was making sale after sale after sale. And even though the product and service itself involved continuity billing, involved billing every single month, she wasn't getting a piece of it. So she wanted to be able to have that passive income that continues to pay her. And as a matter of fact, very shortly after the time of this video, she will reach the point of being locked in. So her passive income is locked for life. She can go wherever she wants. Not that she would go anywhere because she's been pretty successful with it. But she can go wherever she wants, and she's got money flowing and flowing and flowing. And that is extremely rare. Well, it's rare enough. Employees don't know about this. Sales managers with a passive income do, and business owners do. So what's required of you is to come in and use your sales manager skills. Again, we have plenty of entry-level management trainees. We have a lot of neophytes in our team. What we need is people to manage, to train, to teach. So that's what we need you to do. That's what's required of you. So this is not for you if you have no sales experience. That's not the position we're looking for, at least not this particular position. If you have no sales management experience, or at least at least a drive and desire to be the sales manager and have a lot of experience in sales. If you have no interest in team building, for example, again, we have a lot of veterans who are not interested in team building. They're interested in selling by themselves. So if that's you, this is not for you at all. If you have no interest in team leadership and driving a team, or if you have no drive to be a team leader. Also, if you have no patience or desire to cultivate and teach and really develop self-sufficiency, because again, that's what it comes down to. It's not carrying people along and simply guiding them. It's teaching them so they can be self-sufficient, so they can use their own wings. If you have no investment capital or no interest in investing in your business, because again, we are a startup, and if you have no patience for building cash flow, this is ideal for you if you've been a successful team builder or are a successful team builder in network marketing. This is excellent for you then. This is ideal for you if you've been successful in building a team that is selling insurance, business services, or employee benefits, because that's our product, that's our service. And this is also ideal for you if you've been successful running and building a franchise, because again, that's pretty much what we are. So if indeed this is ideal for you, then simply contact us. And you know this. You have to speed up the process as quickly as possible and get started immediately, because you have the process of contacting us, sending in your resume, setting up the interview, all of the space in between the various communications, and then finally going through the actual interview, secondary interviews, training, and then you hit the road. So it's a process. Get started as soon as possible. So go to incomeprotectionatlanta.com. Thank you.